celebrate milestone as you prepare for the road ahead. So let's welcome our sparkling stars from Euro Juniors to fill the air with their speed for the stone with the song Punakalu Loading.
Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibanda, Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibanda, Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibanda, Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibu.
They gave a great charisma. Please give them a huge round of applause. It's time to acknowledge the talent of our kids. For this, I call upon Mr. Jagdish sir onto the stage for the prize distribution. It's time to acknowledge the talent of our kids. For this, I call upon Mr. Suresh sir onto the stage for prize.
I would like to call Rutvika onto the stage for the award courteous. I would like to call Yashashwini for the award assertive. I would like to call Lohit for the award virtuous. I I would like to call Amarendra for the award Radiant. I would like to call Pranvi for the award Good Handwriting. I would like to call Abhishek for the award Energetic Kid. I would like to call Arjun for the award Storyteller. I would like to call Aradhita for the award Adventurous. I would like to call Mahanvit for the award Well Disciplined.
Fuerza del mar que se mete por tu vena, lo caliente del sol que se te metió y no te deja quieta, nena.
I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Ooh, the master of my sea. Ooh. I was broken from a young age, took my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You make me a believer, believer. You make me a believer, believer. Let the water smile, let the rain. I knock my head, my body again. You make me a believer, believer. Things turn, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, your spirit up above. Oh.
Not salsa, not flamenco, my brother.
Do you know Natu?
What is Natu?
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజూగినట్టు ఎర్ర చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప తొక్కు కలిగినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 తీర నాటు 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 పూర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా నాటు 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 పిచ్చి కత్తిలాగా వెళ్ళి నాటు
I would like to call Abhinav for the award Knowledgeable. I would like to call Aryaraj for the award Miraculous.
Fancy.
I would like to call Joshvika for the award Optimistic. I would like to call Logita for the award Dynamic.
Sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote.
I would like to call Chirasvi for the award Charming.
Contigo hoy. Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome.
I would like to call Ashrika for the award Exuberant.
Oh, tú eres el imán y yo soy
I
el
would like to call Devansh for the award Versatile.
Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van
I
pidiendo
would like to
más.
call Gaganya for the award Reticence.
Despacito, quiero respirar
I
tu
would like
fuego
to call
despacito.
Arjun for the
Deja
award
que te
Storytelling.
diga cosas al oído, para que te
I would like to call Devian for the award Most Improved.
Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito.
So videos with your mobile. We have professional videographers.
Tus zonas de peligro, hasta provocar tus gritos, y que olvides tu apellido. Si te pido un beso, vendámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo. Llevo tiempo intentándolo. Mami, esto es dando y dándolo. Sabe que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Sabe que esa beba está buscando de mi bam bam. Ven, prueba.
DJ Jasmine to collect your students at the backstage.
Surprise for parents. So we request you all to stay till the end of the program.
Anticipated event of prize distribution. Let's celebrate the accomplishments of our kids through science fair project presentation. Every participant possesses their own unique way that make them successful. Nevertheless, our purpose is to recognize and celebrate those individuals who gave a remarkable project demonstration. I would appreciate Mrs. Sajida Begum Madam to kindly grace the stage and do the honor of distributing the prizes. For the prize distribution presentation, we are honoring the student of Playgroup Rex. Please come on to the stage.
Science fair project presentation. We are honoring the student of nursery Rishi Shanmugh.
We are honoring the student of nursery Hanush Rayansh.
For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the student of Euro Junior Logita. For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the student of Euro Junior Viraj.
Logita.
For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the student of Euro Junior.
Honor the parents with a small trophy. For this, we want to call upon Rajida Madam onto the stage.
Project presentation, we are honoring the parents of playgroup Chaitrika, mom Priya and dad Narendra.
Project presentation, we are honoring the parents of playgroup Srinika, mom Ashrita, dad Suresh.
honoring the parents of playgroup K. Srinika. Mom Ashrita, Dad Suresh. Nursery Lily, Nihant. Mom Nishita, Dad. For good presentation, for good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the parents of Nursery Rose, Srinika. Mom Tanusha, Dad Rajshekhar. Project presentation, we are honoring the parents of Nursery Rose, Hanu Shreyansh. Mom Chaya Devi, Dad Swarup.
For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the parents of Nursery Lily Rayansh, Mother Sajida Ma'am, Dad Nagendranath sir.
For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the parents of Joshvika. Mom Sridevi, Dad Satish. Presentation, we are honoring the parents of Euro Junior Jasmine Pranvi. Mom Sharmila, Dad Pradeep.
For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the parents of Euro Junior Pradyumna, Mom Venkatalakshmi, Dad Satish. Science fair project presentation, we are honoring the parents of Veda, Mom Sirisha, Dad Nagaraju. For good science fair project presentation, we are honoring the parents of ES, Hiranya, Mom Suma, Dad Ramji.
Parents of Euro Senior Hibiscus Driti. Mom Shweta, Dad Dinesh.
Now, it's time to acknowledge the efforts of our teachers. Teachers don't just impact the knowledge from books. They instill values, ignite curiosity, and nurture our potential. They are the unsung heroes who shape not only our minds but also the characters of child. To add a touch of creativity and joy to our celebration, I welcome our Eurokids Adityanagar teachers to perform dance performance. Get ready for the mesmerized performance by our teachers.
Like that.
दिल ये बेचैन में रस्ते पे हैन में जिंदगी बेहाल है सुन लेना काल है आजा सवरिया ताल से ताल मिला ताल से ताल मिला दिल ये बेचैन में रस्ते पे हैन में जिंदगी बेहाल है सुन लेना ताल है आजा सवरिया
ताल से ताल मिला हो, ताल से ताल मिला, ताल से
Big round of applause, please.
music freedom, sing it. Sing it.
ಅದೇನೊಂದು ಅತ್ತಿಂದು ತಿಂದಿയും ತೊಂದರದಿಂದ ನೀರುಂದು ನಗದಿಂದು ತಿಂದಿയും ತೊಂದರದಿಂದ ನೀರುಂದು వెల్కమ్ చెప్పండోయ్ సిరునవ్వులతో హారతి పట్టుకోయ్ గ్యాంగు గ్యాంగు
Big round of applause, everyone. Wow, wow.
Adidi, sekarang kita teman-teman.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were bold and young. All around us,
Please take, ma'am.
needed somebody to lean on.
Good afternoon, everyone. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guraven Namaha, Suswagatam Avam Vandan. Hello, everyone. With a cup of hot smiles, golden glory of this afternoon is on the air. Honorable directors, principal, most respected teachers, and all spectators, everyone gathered here for the annual day function. Let me thank you, each one of you, for being here wholeheartedly and working hard for making this day even more colorful. A hearty welcome to our EuroKids family on this beautiful afternoon to celebrate second annual day. If someone asks me to define teacher that suits our modern language, then I would like to define it like teacher, a multitasking educational rock star who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. Let us all take a moment to reflect on the crucial role that teachers play in the shaping of our lives. They not only impact knowledge from the books, but make us an honest and kind human beings. Today we have the privilege to honor these teachers whose non-stop hard work have no boundaries. A gesture of appreciation can speak volumes. Our teachers have devoted their lives to nurturing young minds, and it's our privilege to present them with tokens of our gratitude. I would like to request our director Suresh sir, Jagadish sir, Suresh sir, Jagadish sir, and our principal Sajida ma'am to kindly come forward to present these awards to our teachers. As a token of reward, we are honoring Vertika ma'am with the title The Motivator. Vertika ma'am with the title The Motivator, please come on the dais to receive an award. Vertika teacher is a passionate about inspiring and engaging, using positive reinforcement and encouragement to motivate their students to succeed. Exploring new ideas and topics with their students. She is encouraging their students to think outside the box and to explore the world around them. A token of reward, we are honoring Shanti ma'am with the title The Innovator. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Shanti teacher is always looking for new and creative ways to engage their students. She uses technology and other innovative tools to make learning fun and exciting. Give her a big round of applause. As a token of reward, we are honoring Sunita ma'am with the title The Nurture. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Sunita teacher always making sure their students feel safe, supported and loved. She creates a warm and welcoming classroom environment and take the time to get to know their students on a personal level. As a token of reward, we are honoring Vindhya ma'am with the title The Disciplinarian. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Vindhya teacher is fair, creating a structured and disciplined classroom environment. She expects their students to follow the rules and hold them accountable for their actions. Please give her a round of applause. As a token of reward, we are honoring Deepika ma'am with the title The Storyteller. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Deepika teacher is the best storyteller, using stories to bring their lessons to life. She creates captivating and engaging classroom environment where students are eager to learn. As a token of reward, we are honoring Maheshwari ma'am with the title The Empath. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Maheshwari teacher is empathetic and understanding, always putting themselves in their students. She creates a safe and supportive environment where students feel heard and valued. As a token of reward, we are honoring Priyanka ma'am with the title The Best Organizer. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Priyanka teacher is well prepared and organized. She plans lessons in advance, have clear learning objectives and provide structured material and resources to their students. Give her a round of applause. As a token of reward, we are honoring Usha ma'am with the title Encouraging and Motivator. Please come on to the dais to receive an award. Usha teacher knows how to inspire and motivate their students. She provides positive reinforcement, constructive feedback. She creates a classroom environment where students feel encouraged to take risks and learn from their mistakes. As a token of reward, we are honoring Vaishnavi ma'am with the title The Mentor. Please come on the dais to receive an award. Vaishnavi teacher is a mentor and a role model for their students. She provides guidance and support, helping their students develop the skills they need to succeed in life. As a token of reward, we are honoring our principal ma'am, Sajida ma'am, with the title Heart of our school. Please come forward to receive an award, Sajida ma'am. Sajida ma'am, we are incredibly fortunate to have a principal like you who leads with compassion, kindness and integrity. Your unwavering commitment to the success and well-being of every student is truly inspiring. Thank you for creating an environment where learning is exciting, creativity is nurtured and success is celebrated. Your passion for education is contagious and we are grateful for your guidance. Give her a round of applause, please.
As a token of reward, we are honoring Anita Madam with the title The Influential Educator. Please come forward to receive an award. She is an educator who have made significant contributions to and impact on the field of teaching as a teacher, mentor, researcher, learner and a policy maker. All your efforts are translating to obvious improvements in our students. We are so grateful for your support, guidance and cognitive development. A big thank you to Suresh sir, Jagdish sir and Sajda ma'am for kindly distributing the awards and to all of us for encouraging our teachers with your cheers.
Charm and beauty of one lie in the body, language, dressing and the way we carry it. To showcase this, our Euro senior students are coming for a ramp walk along with their teachers Jyoti ma'am and Vertika ma'am. Let's welcome to the stage Aditi, Aditya, Aniksha, Anshu, Ashwin, Dheeraj, Dhruvansh, Dikshita, Janvi, Kiranya, Manasvi, Manvit, Niranjan, Parnika.
What's going on?
Ding, ding. Let's go crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Oh, oh. Let's go crazy. Ding, ding.
Break it.
by the sweet Ranjita May. Their tiny feet and big smile create a magical moment that you won't want to miss.
Tarinana, tarinana, tari tandanana. Tarinana, tarinana, tari tandanana. లింగిడి కింద జంగిడి కింద కుసుముది పూలంగా శ్రీకాకుళం దండలు చిరమందలు నాయమ్మ నా తల్లి నా చిరాబాగు బలిక నాయమ్మ నా తల్లి నా చిరాబాగు బలిక
வட்டக்கருப்பு பொட்டு வச்சா சந்திரன் இருந்து வச்சா சாரப்பாம்பு இடுப்ப வச்சா நட்சத்திர தொட்டி வச்சா கரும்பு தோண்டு நெத்தி வச்சா இஞ்சி வெட்டி கண்ணா வச்சா இம்மா தூண்டு வெக்கம் வச்சா நெத்தி பொட்டுல தூக்கி பொட்டு போல வச்சா பல்ல சுத்து பட்டு ஒரு பாக்க கண்ணு பொட்டு வந்த பல்ல நெத்து பல்லு ஒரட்டில உச்சி கொட்டு நேரட்டில பட்டுன்னு பொத்திய உச்ச கட்டம் கட்டம் வள ரஞ்சிதமே 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 மனச கலைக்கு மந்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே ஒன்ன போட்டு வலிக்க கொஞ்சமே அடி ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே மனச கலைக்கு மந்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே ஒன்ன போட்டு வலிக்க கொஞ்சமே வந்தது 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 மனசு சத்திரமே சத்திரமே நான் நித்திர 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 கேடு சத்திரமே சத்திரமே
என்ன மாமா உங்க ஆட்டத்துக்கு ஊரே ஆடுவேன், அதுக்கு ஒரு அடிய போட்டு விடுவோம்
அப்படின்ற.
கட்டுமல்லி கட்டி வச்சா கலகலகா பட்டு வச்சா சத்திரல் ரெண்டு வச்சா சாரா பாம்பு இடுப்பு வச்சா வச்ச பொட்டி என்னையும் தூக்கி நெத்திக்கு மத்தி ஒட்ட வச்சவளே வச்சு மட்டும் நேரத்துக்குள்ள வச்சா கட்டம் தொட்டாவளே ரஞ்சிதமே 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 மனசு கலைக்கு மந்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே இந்த முதல் பலிக்க பொண்ணனுமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே மனசு கலைக்கு மந்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே இந்த முதல் பலிக்க பொண்ணனுமே வந்தது 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 மனசு சத்திரமே சத்திரமே நான் நித்திர 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 கேட்கும் சத்திரமே சத்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே
It is this. That was the end. So beautiful performance.
Really, it was a graceful performance. Thank you for rocking the stage.
What do
Join
you
your
say?
hands together for our most talented kids. So beautiful. It was just like so beautiful, so
many
elegant,
people.
just
So
looking
beautiful.
like a wow.
Wow.
For this, I call upon our Jagadish sir onto the stage for the prize distribution. Knowledgeable. I would like to call upon Dishita for the award Optimistic. I would like to call Manasvi for the award Assertive. I would like to call Aditi for the award Charming. I would like to call Manveet for the award Exuberant. I would like to call Anik Shah for the award Radiant. I would like to call Parnika for the award Good Handwriting. I would like to call Ashwin for the award Radiance. I would like to call Aditya for the award Outstanding Speaker. Give a huge round of applause for this team. I would like to welcome our Euro senior students to set the stage on fire. Their coordinated moves and vibrant presentation creates a joyful atmosphere.
பொந்துல யாரு மீன் கொத்தி தண்ணியிலோடும் தவளைக்கு கம்பளி பூச்சி தங்கச்சி அள்ளி மலர் கொடி அங்கதமே ஒட்டார ஒட்டார சந்தனமே புள்ள மலர் கொடி முத்தாரமே எங்கூரு குத்தாளமே
துருக்க பையமா வெத்தல மட்டையம்மா சுமந்த கையம்மா மத்தல மொட்டையம்மா தாயம்மா என்ன பண்ண மாயம்மா பள்ளியம்மா வேறாண்டி சங்கதிய கூறாண்டி கண்ணறிய காணாண்டி
அன்ன கிளி அடியால மர கிளவண்ண கிளி நல்லபடி வாழ சொல்லி இந்த மண்ணை கொடுத்தானே பூர்வ குடி கம்மங்கர காணி எல்லாம் பாடி திரிஞ்சானே ஆதிக்குடி நாய் நரி பூனைக்கும் தான் இந்த ஏரி குளம் கூட சொந்தமடி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ ஒன்னாரி அம்மா ஏ அம்பாரி இந்தா உம்மாரி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ ஒன்னாரி அம்மா ஏ அம்பாரி இந்தா உம்மாரி முட்டைய போடும் கோழிக்கு ஒப்பனை யாரு மயிலுக்கு பச்சைய பூசும் பாசிக்கு குச்சிய அடுக்குன கூட்டுக்கு
I would like to call Rishika for the award perfect attendance. Presentation, we are honoring the parent of Euro Junior, Prajumna parents, mom Venkat Lakshmi, dad Satish. Inspired feeling of pride in one's country. It serves as a poignant tribute to the rich heritage, culture and spirit of nation. So without any delay, let's welcome our students Dheeraj, Aditya, Devansh, Lohit, Arya, Shaurya, Viraj, Tanvish, Reyansh and Rishi. With a huge round of applause.
నీరు 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 రైతు కంట నీరు చూడనైన చూడరెవ్వరు గుండెలన్ని వీడు ఆశలన్ని మోడు ఆదరించు నాథుడెవ్వరు అన్నదాతోడు నింగినంతే నేడు ఆలకించు మారు ఎవ్వరు నీరు 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 రైతు కంట నీరు చూడనైన చూడరెవ్వరు
పరాయి పాలనపై కాలు తూపి కొమ్ములు బిదిలించిన కోడి గిత్తల్లాంటి అమరవీరుల్ని తలుచుకుంటూ
నెత్తురు మరిగితే ఎత్తర చెండ సత్తువ ఉరిగితే కొట్టర కొండ నెత్తురు మరిగితే ఎత్తర చెండ సత్తువ ఉరిగితే కొట్టర కొండ కొండ కత్తి సుత్తి గిత్త కోట వంచలేని కోహడే సిరిగల కోడే ఎల కోడే చలినా కోడే రత్కల కట్టిది రాయలసీమ కోడే నెత్తురు మరిగితే ఎత్తర చెండ సత్తువ ఉరిగితే కొట్టర కొండ
సరిహద్దులను పులేకుంటే ఎదురు బాబా కంటి ముందుగా నిద్రపోతురా నిద్రపోతురా నిలువెత్తుల నెక్కు ఖర్చుపై నువ్వుంటేనే జాతి బాబు కాకెగురుతుందిరా పైకెగురుతుందిరా ఇండియా దిల్లే ఇండియా దిల్లే ఇండియా తన భరోసా నువ్వే దేశం కొనక సేవక ఓ సైనిక పనిలో పలుగే వీరిక ఓ సైనిక ప్రాణం తేలిక ఓ సైనిక ఓ రాజ్యం నీకో వేడుక ఓ సైనిక
What a graceful performance. It was so beautiful.
I am I'm completely speechless. I don't have enough words to appreciate you. Please join your hands for this beautiful performance.
And staff who have gathered here. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution those who dedicatedly work to make this annual day successful. I, Suresh, on behalf of EuroKids and entire fraternity of the institution, extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty of God for making the event successful. I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our parents who have spent their times and grace here. Your thoughts have been enlightened our minds and have shown the new path. I immensely thank to Jyoti and Vaishnavi for their efforts towards the anchoring of this event today. I also extend thanks to all staff members who have for their enormous cooperation within the organization for the gala of events. An event like this can't happen without you. I also thank the people who have worked behind the screen, our technical arrangement, Nitesh and team for sound system, Hanumant Reddy Garu and team for photography. And I also thank Tarun Master, Santosh and Sidhu for hardless effort towards the dance performances. And not least, our mates, Lakshmi, Sangeeta, Ramajyoti, Saraswati, Manga and Rajyam. Our sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without the support, with your support, children were not been here. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars who have made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Your days of hard work were evident in the act. Thank you all for your cooperation and support. And finally, I request all the parents to stand at their places for the national anthem.
भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे थोड़ी सी तो कमरिया हिला दे रोंडे आगे कह टकते नहीं आते हैं गाड़ी मेरे लिख ले कहीं चल निकल कहीं फोन बजा पैसे वाला सीन नहीं है रॉन्ग नंबर फोन बजा एक्स वाला सीन है फिर रॉन्ग नंबर शॉर्ट हुआ डरे के लगाते तुम 100 नंबर शॉर्ट हुआ सिर पे लगाते हम 100 थप्पड़ बहुत अंतर ऑनलाइन तो बहुत खबर बहुत रैपर असली में बहुत अटर बहुत शक्कर अगर चेक कर फिर रेज्यूमे शेर नहीं है साथ हर वक्त मेरे बाजू में लगी मेरी जान है तेरी एक लुक बादशाह के गाने के जैसे कोई हो देख के चंदा भी गया तुझे छुप बात मेरी सुन में भी बिल्कुल लगी मेरी जान है तेरी एक लुक बादशाह के गाने के जैसे कोई हो देख के चंदा भी गया तुझे छुप